Every day, ORBIS Europe helps customers reduce their overall environmental impact by shifting from single-use to returnable packaging solutions. ORBIS is part of Menasha Corporation, one of the oldest family-owned manufacturers in the United States with more than 170 years of reusable packaging experience. ORBIS packaging solutions are extremely robust by design and can be reused over and over. For an extended service life, customers can easily repair ORBIS's foldable large containers and pallets on site with original spare parts. And we go one step further by offering to buyback and recycle obsolete plastic load carriers at the end of their service life. The Recycle with ORBIS program provides an alternative to the disposal of surplus, damaged or obsolete plastic packaging. Fostering a circular economy approach, ORBIS buys back the plastics for the raw material value. The credit can be used to buy new packaging. The ORBIS recycling program prevents plastics from entering the solid waste stream and harming the environment. ORBIS recycles 100% of the plastic raw materials it buys back. The plastics are reprocessed and used for new packaging production, creating a nearly closed, entirely sustainable raw material cycle. ORBIS Europe offers innovative packaging solutions for a sustainable future.